children, in my previous video I have explained you about the differences between the photosynthesis and respiration. So in this video I will explain you about the differences between the respiration and combustion. Okay, so you know the respiration takes place in the living organisms. Okay, so it takes place in the living organisms. And it is a biochemical process, means some chemical reactions will take place to release the energy. Okay, whereas the combustion is a only here the chemical reactions only will take place to release the energy. Okay, and in the respiration the body cells will get oxidized. You know the oxidation process in the body cells takes place in the mitochondria. Okay, they will get oxidized and releases the carbon dioxide, water and energy. Whereas in the combustion, the energy, whatever is formed is in the form of the heat and light. It is in the form of the heat and light, and it is a discontinuous process. It is a discontinuous process. Whenever you burn, it releases the heat and smoke. Whereas in the respiration, it is a continuous process and it is a natural process. Okay, means there is no discontinuity in the cells. Every time whenever the food will take, it will get oxidized and releases the energy, and it is a continuous process, means day and night it will take place. Okay, and the chemical bond here in the respiration, whatever the chemical bonds formed between the compounds will break down very slowly. Okay, but in the combustion the chemical bonds, whenever you burn, the chemical bonds formed will break down very quickly and releases very fast energy. Okay, and it is the breakdown will be takes place in the multiple steps, so it is slow. Whereas here no steps are there, no intermediate steps are there. At a time the molecules will break down and releases the energy in the combustion. Okay, and here the intermediary substances are formed at the time of the respiration. For the breakdown of the one compound into another compound, the intermediary substances are formed. In the combustion there are no intermediary substances are formed. Okay, and it occurs inside the cell. Okay, the respiration process takes place inside the cell, that is in the mitochondria. Whereas here the chemical process is a non-cellular. It is a non-cellular process, and the respiration takes place whatever the heat produced in the body, it is enough to produce or to liberate the energy. Okay, in the case of respiration. Whereas in the combustion process, this energy, the burning process requires more amount of the heat to produce more or to release more energy. Okay, during the respiration there will no smoke is formed. Okay, whereas during the combustion the smoke is formed, means the compounds, that is the complex molecules will break down very fast and releases the different compounds like nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, oxygen molecules, carbon compounds, like that. Okay, so it is very fast process. Okay, so this is about the differences between the respiration and the combustion. So you children remember that it is very easy process. Respiration is a very tough process. Okay, combustion is very easy and it is a destructive process actually. Combustion is a destructive process, whereas the respiration is also a destructive process, means it is releasing the energy, but whatever the destruction will take place in the respiration, it will be very slow and slowly the energy will release. Okay, but here the energy releasing will be very fast and it will that whatever the energy formed during the combustion, it will be released into the environment. Okay, so this is about the differences between the respiration and combustion. Okay, thank you.